Hey guys, yeah, so I'm just trying to measure my steps per millimeter and just verify how many millimeters this is extruding when I extrude. And this is what I came up with, this little rig here. So I'm going to tell it to extrude 100 millimeters. And I should have a fairly accurate reading here of how many millimeters it extruded and tell me what my steps per millimeter are. So I've got about 98.6, which is off quite a bit. So this method should work with just about any printer out there. It's just a quick way to check. It's just something I thought of real quick. I'm not sure if it's ever been done before, but if you're ever curious what your steps per millimeter are, give this a shot. It'll give you a rough idea. So, alright, take care, guys.